Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead, just go through here, burn a little wood, get a little bonfire going, and look at all this crap that overgrew into one of my piles. So I gotta get rid of all that shit first. Gotta go through, burn it all, add it to my little pile. I'm getting there. You can tell I did a little last weekend. Started working it back in there. Alrighty, I got some gas to help start it. First, we gotta go over there and rebuild the pile. Grab some nice kindling from the pile. And just to help get it started, a little bit of gas. Oh, first, safety first. I always end up wet around the outside. Just in case. Keep a hose on hand. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and light it up. Well, that ain't working. There we go. a little fire. Let's see, I'll be right back and go get a cup so I can pour the rest of this out. All the gasoline into it, onto it. Gatorade bottle, easy to burn. Really don't even need that much. Alright guys, I'm going to let it burn up, start it up, and I'll get back to you guys in a second once we get some more logs on the fire. Hey guys, it's been about 3 hours since I've had it burning. Threw a few extra logs and branches on there. Now it's, going pretty good. Nothing like a nice chill night and a beer and some s'mores, but we ate all the s'mores already. Look at that pretty sight. My house in the background. Alright guys, well, it's something I do. I try to do it every Friday and Saturday night and try to get it going during the days, just to get stuff burning and try to work into that. Can't see it now, but into the pile that you guys saw earlier. So like, subscribe, comment below, share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.